Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your device supports dual SIM, dual nano SIM, or eSIM plus a physical SIM, and that each plan is active. Once done, power off the phone, use the eject pin, and carefully place the cards in the correct tray positions, SIM 1 and SIM 2. Make sure the tray seats fully and then boot the phone. After the system loads, go straight to Settings to confirm both lines appear. This establishes the baseline before you configure voice, SMS, and data routing. Now configure how calls, texts, and mobile data behave. In Settings, choose which SIM is the default for mobile data. Enable automatic data switching if you want the phone to swap when the default loses signal. Then set the preferred SIM for calls and messages. You can make a global choice or override per contact for convenience. Make sure each SIM's APN and network mode are correct if carriers differ. This prevents dropped data, avoids costly roaming, and ensures reliable voice routing when both networks are active. Finish by adopting good habits. Track battery impact because dual radios consume more power. Consider battery saver or disabling one SIM overnight. If a SIM disappears or won't connect, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds and turn it off. If that fails, restart the phone or reinsert the SIM. Make sure APN and carrier settings weren't changed. As a last resort, reset network settings, but back up Wi-Fi and VPN info first. This sequence resolves most issues while preserving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.